Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PULM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where that red line comes from. But that red line is actually going to be our first update. And the update revolves around a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.80 as a level of resistance. You can see right here, knocked down the price, and then the price was struggling with it yesterday. But now that the price is up above it, this would be the newest area of support to keep an eye on. Ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can hold up above this point right there at, we'll call it the $2 mark, that would certainly make the chart look the strongest. But if the price drops below $2, I'm not sitting here saying that everything is ruined or anything like that. That'd just be, the preferable situation, from, what would make the chart look the most attractive. From the big picture, though, as I talked about yesterday, it's really all about the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average, meaning as far as the overall move is concerned, this being the overall move, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. Any way you want to slice it, any way, you can best visualize it in your mind. So that's a very simplistic way to look at it. As long as the price is above that purple line, which will continue to increase, well, that implies the price itself is increasing, and that's what bullish moves do. What about levels of resistance? To me, it's all about this level right up here. I'm kind of splitting the difference here, but $2.45. I realize the price technically went up higher. So if you want to use one of those levels, I would not argue against that. But as far as resistance levels go and where the sellers seem to be hanging out right now, I'm just, like I said, trying to find just the split the difference there. And I'm going to call it up around the $2.45 mark. But no doubt about it, always good when red lines are being changed to green. And as long as the price keeps on putting in the higher lows, then the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. So we'll see how the price closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.